stepping into the role of the CEO at CCF, do you think you'll be able to reach out the way you have not been able to when you were back in your community? Because I'm sure this issue is not only for one community.
Yes. I believe in close interaction with donors and funding agencies, not like before where the Provincial Cultural Office was seen as a government body, and most of the donors are they are attracted to the NGO, and becoming the CEO, I think I'm in a good position to reach out to more, and the lesson learned from where I worked previously can be replicated in other communities, and the lesson learned will enhance the work of CCF to continue to achieve its vision, but at the same time to complement the work that the government is doing.
So, what is your vision, and how well do you see it with CCF? What's your vision with CCF?
I want CCF to continue to be the premier NGO in Fiji. Another is for CCF to be known to all communities. Most of the time we are perceived as anti-government. We are promoters of, what we promote is like human rights, multiculturalism, equality. These are things that because people perceive these as they are anti-culture, anti-tradition. So my personal vision for CCF, one is to take CCF to another level, to